What's up? Good evening. Quickly, I want to show you how to set up an account. I want you to click on this guide, this link I just gave to you, and just allow the whole thing to load. Okay. Now, once it's done loading, just a quick thing I want you to take note of. Come to this guide they call register. If this thing does not come up. Now, after filling up this whole thing, just take note of this guide they call real name. Okay. Make sure this name is starting with your bank account. Okay. Good. Now, for some of you that might be having issues with registering, just one thing you want to do is to go to that guy, your settings. Go to your settings. Okay. Go and clear the browser data of that browser you're using, and then come back and try it again. Okay, now after setting up your account, it's going to look up this way. Just close this thing quickly and come to this guy they call deposit. That's what we are going to for now. Okay, now once you click on this deposit, you just want to tap any amount here. The minimum deposit is actually 2k, but basically you just need 1k to make a bet, seriously. But 2k, should I just give them the 2k, and the best part, you can withdraw your money instantly, so don't worry about anything. So we have 2k, 6k. Just click any amount that you want to click and then tap on deposit now, and then allow the whole page to load. Now, once it loads, I want you to copy the account number that is provided for you here. Go to the bank. The bank name is Pega, Bipaga, whatever name it is. Go to your bank app and then make the transaction. Then come back, and then they're going to tell you that the thing has been done. Then after, just make sure you don't waste time. Do you understand? After one stop, I think the thing is going to pop up, I guess. Then if it does not, you see the whole money there reflect on your page. And if you don't see it, just come and refresh. Okay? So that's just exactly how to set up your account on this.